This is an Elgato Cam Link. It's designed so you can live stream with your DSLR. But what if you wanted to stream games? Could you actually use this to do that? The answer is yes, and I'm going to tell you how to do it today. So let's get to it. If you're looking for tools, tips, and tricks that can help make you a better YouTuber, you're going to want to subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you know when we have new content that comes out. I've had this Elgato Cam Link for a while. In fact, it's the HD version, not the 4K version. I use this to live stream with my DSLR, and I really enjoy it. But I've had a lot of questions with people asking if they can actually do live game streams using the Elgato Cam Link. Now, when we're talking about using the Elgato Game Link or Cam Link to stream games, we're talking about strictly console games. This isn't going to help you stream a PC game. You can live stream games with your Elgato Cam Link, but there are some limitations. Ideally, if you want to live stream games, you should get a Game Link, like the one you see here. But if you already have a Cam Link and you thought, maybe I'll stream a couple of games, here's how you can do it using OBS. In order to connect your capture card in OBS, the first thing you're going to want to do is create a scene. Then you go ahead into Sources. Click the little plus below Sources and select Video Capture Device. Now you can name it Video Capture Device or PS4 or whatever you're using. Click OK. Under Device, use the drop down and select your Cam Link. Then under Preset, set the resolution that you're going to be streaming at and click OK. Now to add audio, you click that plus once again under Sources. You go to Audio Input Capture and name it whatever you want and click OK. And then under Device, select your Cam Link as well and click OK. Now you can adjust the levels for this audio. Now if you're interested in setting up a much more comprehensive game stream, I'll leave a link at the end of this video that can point you towards a video you want to watch. But for the purposes of this one, I just wanted to be able to show you how to add the capture card. The only system I have not been able to stream is the PS3. Basically, the PS3 has an encrypted HDMI signal and it doesn't have a way to turn that off. But with all the newer systems that I've been able to test, we were able to turn off that encryption setting. To disable this setting on the PS4, you go into Settings, then you go down here to System, and the setting you're looking for is Enable HDCP. That's the encryption setting your Cam Link cannot read. So if you uncheck that, you're going to be able to stream right from your console. In case you're wondering what you can't do once you disable that, well, if you go in here and you try to go to Disney Plus or Netflix or anything else, you're going to see that it's going to ask you to enable that encryption. So if you need to use any of these apps, you're going to want to re-enable the HDCP. One of the major disadvantages to using a Cam Link is that it doesn't have a second output so you can divide the signal. Dividing the signal means you can send two signals out, one to the TV and one to the computer that would be uploaded in your stream. If you're just using a Cam Link, you don't have that option. The signal goes directly into your computer. So how do you actually play the games while you're on stream? The easiest solution for this is to have a pretty large second screen, or maybe even use a TV monitor. I'll load up OBS and I'll put the game screen on here, but if I put it on a large TV, I can actually play right on OBS. And really, this is the only viable solution to this. Depending upon what you're playing though, this can be a pretty small screen. Now the one major drawback to something like this could be lag, but honestly, I've live streamed games using my Cam Link through OBS and I've never really noticed any lag. I'm not actually a particularly good gamer, so I'm not sure that it would make a difference if there was some lag for me. If you're interested in taking a look at the Cam Link or the Game Link from Elgato, I'll put a link in the description so you can check them out. If you're going to mainly be streaming games, I highly recommend you use a Game Link. It just adds that extra screen and makes it so much easier. If you want to know everything there is to know about live game streaming with OBS, you want to check this video out right here. And if you're interested in tools, tips, and tricks that can help make you a better YouTuber, you're going to want to subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fira Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.